Imagine having a home in Australia, an asset that grows in value while securing your child's future. Every year, Sri Lankan parents pay thousands in rent for their children studying abroad. That money is gone forever. But what if, instead of paying rent, you could own a home that appreciates in value? With just 5% down, you can lock in your property in Australia, starting from 110 million LKR. And the best part? We handle everything: finding tenants, managing the property, and ensuring you earn from day one. Australia's property market is booming, and here's why smart investors are taking action now. High rental demand, a growing population ensures strong returns. Fast appreciation, property values are rising steadily, building long-term wealth. Passive income, let your home pay for itself while securing your future. And now, with Melbourne's West Gate Tunnel project under construction, property values in key locations are set to skyrocket. Once completed, travel time to the city will be cut in half, making these areas prime real estate. This is your chance to own a home, not just for your child's education, but for your financial future. Instead of paying rent, let your money work for you. Opportunities like this don't come often. With a 5% down payment, you take the first step toward a secure, appreciating asset. Don't wait until prices rise. Act now and secure your future in Australian real estate.